but she's really from Longmeadow. And she did not go to, well, no, she always said she went to Springfield Public. No, she said she went to Springfield Public when the game went down. She went to get
Is she embarrassed?
Does
she not want to?
No, but everyone likes to say they're from Springfield because it's like Hard Knocks. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
August 6th.
Springfield, motherfucker.
Yes. I'm just joking.
Hey, that was the hardest of the white people in Springfield. Okay? They all went to Cathedral.
Have you been to MGM?
Yeah, I actually just went for the first time on Mother's Day weekend. I was home. I was back in Springfield.
Your mom must have been so thrilled.
She loved it. She was like, yeah, I'll go. I was like, all right, let's go.
Did you like it?
Yeah, we had fun. Good time. I gave her money. She lost money. I won money, so we're good. Looking forward to the Wynn opening up. It's going to be a much better spot.
Same. A week from tomorrow.
You're not a true Springfield.
I'm done with Springfield. I'm over it.
Yeah. How old are you? Like 24?
I'm 40.
No, you're not.
Yeah, 40.
He's lying.
I graduated in 97. Cathedral.
From what?
Cathedral.
Oh.
97.
Shut up. Are you seriously 40 years old?
Just can't see my grades because
No.
it's too dark.
You definitely do not seem like you're 40 years old. Do you want Robin?
Yeah, we can.
No.
I have a six pack. Listen, I got a six pack in here. I don't know.
I actually
I'm
haven't
going
even
up here?
looked at you.
Where am I going?
Yes.
I don't know.
This one?
Actually, no, you're going there.
We're
Sorry.
definitely not going to Springfield.
Oh, I like this move though.
Oh my gosh.
I like this move.
It's such a 24-year-old.
Yeah!
No, 24
I still drive like I'm young.
Couldn't pull
Fuck
that
it.
move off.
He was all flustered because I just
That- well, it's hard to
16
see
years
it.
all my life.
I was with you here.
So we cracking those beers or what?
I might.
We have a 16-minute drive. We got some time.
Amy.
How old is he?
Yeah, I was thinking Amy was old.
Well, she is old.
So what we're here.
Amy who?
She's also really young.
Amy who?
They're Eric. But there's a chance you would know her because they're not
Right. Well, no, Amy's the youngest of like 12.
Of 12.
Yeah, and
Oh, shit.
her maiden name is Ryan. Did you hear about that kid that went missing from Springfield?
When?
That's like three
Like,
times a week.
I don't know, the past few weeks.
No.
her nephew.
But then he was found.
He was just at a friend's house playing Nintendo?
He was playing hide and go seek.
No.
Where was he? Downtown.
Church?
Still.
Yeah.
He was having fun.
He was getting his big stuff. And then, and John is the youngest of 12 parents. So,
I'm surprised they stopped at 4 or 5.
they thought they wanted
Oh God.
5's plenty.
That's a lot. Never mind 12. Like, it's insane.
I don't care what tonight is. 12 is a lot of kids.
But you know, they all just started taking
Just a litter. Just a litter of
How many
children.
are in your family?
In mine?
Yeah.
My grandparents had 5 kids. And that was the biggest, that was the biggest. I think my dad he might have been 5 siblings in his family too.
What's your name?
He
Nick?
can't get that.
You don't have to answer that.
I
Don't
will.
have to answer that. Don't ask me any more questions.
It's too risky.
I know. I feel like she's got all the information. and
Because they
everything.
will be followed up with other questions.
I know. I can tell. We can play this game. It's okay.
Did you play baseball?
No, I didn't play baseball.